What if I told you the Galaxy S26 Ultra will bring some big upgrades, but the battery isn't one of them? Yes, it looks like Samsung is sticking with the same 5,000 mAh capacity for yet another year, and fans aren't exactly thrilled. Let's break this down. Samsung introduced a 5,000 mAh battery back in 2020 with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Since then, every Ultra phone, the S21 Ultra, S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, and now the S25 Ultra, has kept the exact same capacity. That's 5 models in a row with no increase. And now, according to new certifications, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be the 6th one to do the same. The confirmation comes from China's Quality Certification Center. They recently certified a battery with the model number EBS9 for 8ABY. Its rated capacity is 4,855 mAh, which translates to a typical capacity of 5,000 mAh. This is identical to the battery inside the Galaxy S25 Ultra, leaving almost no room for doubt. So, if you were hoping for 5,200 mAh or even 5,500 mAh this year, it's not happening. Samsung seems to have drawn a line at 5,000 mAh for now. But does that mean no improvements at all? Not exactly. Reports suggest that Samsung finally upgrade the charging speed. Right now, Ultra phones have been limited to 45-watt wired charging since the Galaxy S22 Ultra. That was decent at first, but with competitors offering 65-watt, 80-watt, and even 120-watt charging, Samsung has looked a little behind. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might change that with support for 65-watt fast charging. This could mean shorter charging times and a more convenient user experience, even if the battery size stays the same. There's another angle here too. Samsung's upcoming phones are expected to run on a 2nm processor, a more efficient chipset combined with software optimization could help the Galaxy S26 Ultra squeeze more endurance out of the same 5,000 mAh capacity. In other words, the battery life could still improve, even without a larger physical battery. Still, let's be honest, for many users, the number itself matters. When you hear that the Ultra model hasn't moved past 5,000 mAh in 6 years, it feels like Samsung is playing it to safe. After all, these phones are big and heavy. If anyone can fit in a slightly larger cell, it should be Samsung's Ultra lineup. But for now, the message is clear. If you want more than 5,000 mAh, you'll probably have to wait another year or maybe even longer. So, here's where things stand. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will keep its 5,000 mAh battery. It's confirmed by certification listings. But at the same time, it might finally bring 65-watt charging, which would be the first major change in power speed in years. And with a 2nm processor and smarter software, actual battery life could still see noticeable gains. The question is that enough for you? Do you care more about how long the phone lasts, or do you want to see that number minus 5,000 mAh finally go up? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the Galaxy S26 Ultra and all the latest tech leaks.